So let's say you want to do some of the things in Excel repeatedly and you don't want any hassle for it. In that case, you can use something called macro. To enable the macro in status bar, you can simply right click over here on the status bar and you'll be able to see this. So if it is unchecked, just click on macro recording right here. This is not necessary, but it'll show you whether the macro is being recorded or not, so that you're aware. So before I record the macro, I need to remember all the steps. So in my case, let's say I want to highlight the datas and I want it to be red, I want it to have a yellow background, I want it to be bold and underline it, so I remember it. So in order to record a macro, you can simply click over here, or you can go to view right here in case you haven't enabled this, and you can go to macro, and here you can see that you can record a macro right here. So I'm going to record a macro. So you can rename this. So I'm gonna say this is going to be highlight over here, and I can assign a shortcut key for this. So let's say in my case I'm going to hold Shift I right here, Control Shift I. So that is going to be the macro for it, and I have an option whether to store this macro only in this Excel sheet or your personal macro workbook, that is the entire Excel sheet. In my case, I'm just going to choose this workbook. I can add in a description over here, but in my case, I'm just going to copy and paste this and press OK. And now the macro has started recording, and you can see that the button is actually here. So once you're done recording the macro, you can actually go over here and then stop it, or you can go over here and stop it. I'm just gonna use this because it's gonna be easier. So over here, in order to highlight the data, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna have a yellow background, a red text. I'm gonna bold it, italics, underline it, and maybe I want it to have a top and bottom double border as well. So everything has been applied, and this is it. This is all I want the macro to record. Once I'm done, I'm gonna press stop right here. So I actually assigned a shortcut key for this. So what I can do is I can actually go here, press Control Shift and I, and there you go. That has been applied to this data over here. You can go over here, Control Shift I, and that has been applied. You can select multiple datas, Control Shift I, and that is how you apply datas, just like this, Control Shift I. There you go. So that is how you can record and apply macros inside of Microsoft Excel. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.